This channel is documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube. And speaking of making money, this is one of the big questions I've gotten a lot because this has been a big trend on YouTube, and that is, can you make money posting relaxing videos, sleep sounds, white noise, 10-hour-long compilations of rainforest sounds? The answer is kind of, but not really. So this is a video I uploaded on another one of my YouTube channels, Zigzag Production Studio. And you can see here, white noise machine sound by M Noise Generator. This is like a plugin, 10 hours. So it's a 10-hour long white noise. That's it. Uploaded this about 6 years ago, February 5th in 2020. And when I go here to the analytics, didn't really do that well, as you can see. I got 225 views, so not that much at all. And I made 65 cents. So on one end, immediately in the beginning of this video, I could argue, yeah, you can make money posting videos that contain white noise, relaxing music, sleep sounds, etc. But here's the truth, not really. And the reason why I said not really is this. YouTube is really big about making your content original and authentic for monetization. And there was this trend years ago, it still kind of exists, but not as much anymore, where people are saying, hey, do you want to make money? Do you want to make $5,000 to $10,000 extra a month in passive income on YouTube? Upload sleep sounds, because it is true. A lot of people do go to YouTube, search like 10-hour sleep sounds, relaxing sounds, soundscapes, white noise, rain sounds, all that kind of stuff. And people, of course, watch these videos for a long time. The honest intention is pretty high, because if you watch a video for 10 hours long, and people, let's say, play it while they're sleeping, or maybe play it in the background if, let's say, they're working, whatever. And so it was this trend a long time ago to push this. And there was so many videos about make money with relaxing music. Here's the thing though, YouTube has cracked down on this big time. They really want your content to be authentic and original. Something like this, technically I could argue that no one else has a video like this. The reason why is this exact video, so just a static image, like if I play it, you can see, I have this muted too, by the way, but technically this is unique, right? But I kind of made this a screenshot of the plugin. I also made this with the plugin. So yes, there is some unique stuff to it. But the problem is there are a lot of channels that people have tried making, and it's just the word try, where every video is like a black screen with just white noise. There's nothing unique about it. Not saying this one's like mind-blowingly unique, but one, at least this one is more unique compared to your average video. But two, on this channel, I post a lot of other stuff, right? This is the only white noise machine sound I have on here, because I'm like, oh, I'll just do this once, just to kind of show this plugin off, because this plugin can make white noise. That's about it, right? So this one maybe is a little different, but when I even go here, let's say I go to this channel, this is a video I did where I'll show you it. I have to wait for this ad to go by. Let me show you. Sometimes if you refresh it, the ad will go away. No? Okay. Gotta wait for this Geico to go away. All right, come on, Geico. All right, there we go. So this is a video I posted of rooftop pool sunset. Now, technically, this is unique just to me. And it's relaxing, right? Like it's I put some like kind of ambient stuff in the background, kind of adding some white noise. So basically something you could put on for about 20 minutes. It's a relaxing sunset on this rooftop pool. I'm the only one that's made this video, right? This is unique, of course, just to me. And you can see here that, yeah, I have made a whopping 30 cents. Not to brag. So here's the thing. Yes, in some cases you can, but it gets very tricky. And I want to make this brief video to show the full transparency about relaxing stuff. Let me put that in quotation marks. The reason why is, remember, a lot of people on YouTube, it's kind of like redundant, make money on YouTube by talking about how to make money on YouTube, if that makes sense. It's almost like a quasi-pyramid scheme. I mean, not really, but it's kind of funny that, again, there's so many people on YouTube that will make videos and be like, make $10,000 extra a month posting rain sounds. And it's like, are there people making $10K a month posting rain sounds? Some people, yes, but most people, absolutely not. The only reason why people make those videos is because it does get a lot of hits. Like, imagine, who wouldn't want to just upload a 10-hour long video that takes you 2 seconds to make, because you just get rain sounds we can find anywhere, have like a black screen, so literally no video almost in a way, right? And you just do this to YouTube, and you upload it every day. Who wouldn't want to make $10K extra a month from doing that? That's why a lot of people make these videos. But I want to show you the transparency that, one, yes, depending on some situations, you can make money with relaxing sounds and videos like that. The big thing though is the channel-wide perspective. If, let's say right now, you made a channel and it was only rain sounds, only sleep sounds, basically only relaxing sounds. Let's say each video was 10 hours long and you got to that monetization threshold. You got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. And you submitted or applied to be in the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube would probably reject you. They'd probably be like, hey, sorry, like, okay, we get that you hit the metrics, but remember, YouTube can choose to accept or deny. And YouTube, in that case, will probably say, in 99% of cases, be like, hey, sorry, there's tons of rain sounds. There's nothing original. There's nothing really unique. There's nothing really authentic. Now, don't get me wrong, though. There are some instances where you might, and it's just the word might, be able to get away with it. What I mean is this. YouTube likes to look at your channel as a whole. So, for example, and I've seen this a lot of creators like this. Let's say you are a new age musician or a soundscapes musician. You make relaxing music. So you actually make the music. And let's say on your channel, it's a blend of like relaxing music, maybe some meditation videos, maybe even some like hypnosis scripts of like you doing a guided meditation or a guided hypnosis just to calm people down or relax people, like a 10 or 20 minute, like, non-sleep deep rest or yoga nidra. Like, let's say that's the energy. That's what you make on your channel. And let's say you have a series of, like, say, 20 videos. Each one is like white noise, pink noise, rain sounds, rainforest sounds, ocean waves, that kind of thing. I think that actually will get monetized on YouTube. Because YouTube is saying, okay, yes, maybe some of these videos are very, very similar, maybe even cookie cutter, if I'd say it like that, compared to all these other videos on YouTube. But their whole brand is meditation, new age, relaxing, soundscapes, etc. It does kind of fit. And I've seen a lot of creators who actually do have videos like that, where they have millions upon millions of views on this like 10 hours of rain sounds video. But it kind of makes sense because that's their niche, is their channel is all about relaxing, right? But if you make a channel where you're not showing your face, you're not making anything unique, you're not making anything original, YouTube will say, no, absolutely not. And this is not just true for relaxing videos and relaxing sounds, but a lot of other things. And like I said earlier in this video, and you have to drive this point home, because for me, as a YouTuber, it gets annoying and frustrating when I see other YouTubers do this, when they kind of, it's almost kind of clickbaity in a way, where they're like, make like a big trend I remember seeing, I think this is like 2021, so this like peak pandemic, was people saying, oh, make $10,000 extra a month on YouTube posting luxury videos. And there were all these channels, maybe some of you saw them, where all people do is post like, these videos of all wicked expensive products. Because sometimes if you do post like luxury videos, the RPMs can be higher, meaning you make more money per view. But then it got to the point where YouTube said, okay, this is like the next trend. It's almost like there's always like the next thing, where it's like back in the day, I think back in the day, relaxing music was way more prevalent. I think now it's not as popular as a thing to try to make money from. Because I think a lot of people understand now, like, okay, YouTube's cracked down. But I did want to make this video saying, yes, technically you can. Like I have, right? And other people do. But if you're going into YouTube, just do it. No. The only reason, again, why people make videos is just to get views. It's kind of, again, very ironic that a lot of people make money online by teaching people how to make money online. It's kind of annoying. And I want to make this very clear on this video too when I say this, that I'm not bashing channels like vidIQ. vidIQ, in case you don't know, is one of the best channels in my opinion for how to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to make more money on YouTube, all this kind of stuff. That's a little different because they have concrete educational advice about making money on YouTube. I mean, for me on this channel, I do a lot of videos about how to make money on YouTube because I actually make money on YouTube and I show you how to make more money. I think what's annoying though is when I see videos on YouTube that suggest something that I know is clear BS. That's the best way to word it. Clear BS, that all they're trying to do is make a kind of a clickbaity video that seems appealing, like how to make money in 2 seconds, how to get rich quick, that kind of thing, when I know it's all BS, that for 99 out of 100 people trying to make money posting relaxing sounds and rain sounds, it's just not going to happen for you. Yes, maybe there's that 1 out of 100 people that also makes music with it, and also maybe does meditation with it, and also maybe does blah, 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 but the truth is that's not going to happen. The whole idea of doing a copy pasta, or like copy and pasting, or doing cookie cutter content doesn't really fly for YouTube. Because again, which is very frustrating, and I think a lot of creators forget this, that even if you do hit those monetization thresholds, like I mentioned earlier, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours, in most cases, YouTube's going to reject your channel. Say, sorry, You're not original enough. Sorry.